Hello everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Jacqueline and in today's video I'm going to give you an unboxing of the April Ipsy GLAM Plus bag. But before we get started, please consider to subscribe to my channel, ring that little notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload new videos. Also consider to follow me on my Instagram. And now let's get started. So this Ipsy GLAM Bag Plus, that's the name, is not a bag, it's a box, and it doesn't come in a bag, but anyhow, that's how they call it. And I know it's a little bit long, but if you're not familiar with Ipsy, it's basically a subscription type of system. They have little bags that you can subscribe. I think they're $10 per month. I was subscribed to those little bags, but I honestly, I like the products that it came, but basically you're paying for sample products, and that's the thing that I was like, a little bit iffy about. I'm not very interested about that. But when you are part of the Ipsy family, you can upgrade. I think there has been a waiting list for quite some time right now, but I was constantly kind of like, like sending them messages. Hey, I'm interested to receive the Plus bag. Do you have it available? So after a few emails, maybe like 3 or 4 emails that I sent to them, they were able to, I don't know if they were able to open more spaces for everybody or if they sent me an invitation for me. I don't know how that goes, but I don't know that, like the inner logistic part of their company. But anyhow, I was able to upgrade and now I can receive this box right here. I actually really love my BoxyCharm, and I will leave in the cards somewhere up here another of my BoxyCharm unboxing. But basically I really wanted to try this Ipsy bag. Now the price is $25 per month, so it's a little bit like $4 more than the BoxyCharm, but I have watched other videos of people unboxing their Ipsys and seeing like really nice products. So anyhow, stop rambling here. I'm gonna go ahead, get it started, and let's open this box. When I open this box, I find this little pamphlet right here that it actually shows what products I'm getting. It also tells a little bit more about the company. It says that also you have the possibility to add on some other items, so you can shop on Ipsy as a regular store, but with products that have a better pricing. So that's kind of interesting. I have never like really dig into that, but I will kind of check it out. So the first thing that I see that I got is this really cute palette. Actually, it's that Moods palette by Laura Sanchez and Laura Sanchez. That's the name in Spanish, is Laura Sanchez, and I think she's from Colombia. Yeah, she's a makeup artist from Colombia, and also she's a beauty blogger, and she has been what it says here in the card, this Colombian makeup artist was Nick's Face 2016 Beauty Blogger of the Year, and her brand is all about bold colors and self-expression. So let's just open it up. So this is the outer package. This is kind of like a sleeve, and then when I slide it out, there you go. Oh, so that's pretty. It actually kind of like coordinates with the outside, and then on the other side you see the girl right here. That's so cute. I like it. Now, well, let's open it up. It hasn't came that much. It seems like it has a little bit of eyeshadow in different places. The palette comes with a nice big mirror, which I really appreciate. I love when palettes have mirrors because they make it easy to travel. Comes with a brush, and then 2 type of highlighters, one that is a little bit into the pinky champagne tone, and then a white one, and 8 shades. You have like your neutrals right here, so you have 2 neutrals, these kind of like camel color, nude color, a brown color, and then another wearable colors right here is maybe this pink right here, and this kind of like rose gold is a shimmer shade. So basically you have your 4 mattes right here, including this yellow, which is so pretty, and then all these 4 bottom row eyeshadows, they are all shimmer shades, which is a green, a rose gold, a nice turquoise one, and also a purple color. So let me swatch them for you. Why not? The white highlighter actually has some pink and purple tones, kind of like a unicorn. So I don't know about the white one, maybe for like a, you know, inner corner highlighter, maybe good, but not really for the face. But other than that, all the other shades are really nice, and it comes with a brush too, which is makes it really nice for traveling. So I like that palette. I think I will give it a try and, you know, maybe give you my thoughts, or I don't know, should I do an eye look with it or not? What do you think? Leave in your comments down below what you think. And then I forgot to tell you, the palette is $35. Now next is this Paris Hilton skincare. It's a cleanser. So I thought first when I saw Paris Hilton, oh my gosh, is that a perfume? But no, it's not a perfume. It's a cleansing gel. It says that this cleansing gel is infused with exfoliating caviar, lime, and pineapple derived enzymes. So this is interesting because GLAM, Glow Recipe, they just came out with these pineapple vitamin C serum that is good. Obviously, you know, it's a natural source of vitamin A. Vitamin C. Yeah, that's what I meant, vitamin C. So I can see right there where the pineapple comes here and, you know, actually get those exfoliating properties and actually brightening, you know, good for brightening your skin. It also have cucumber to depuff and white tea extract to reduce the appearance of wrinkles and help repair sun damage. You can use it morning and night, and let's see right here. You can use it on your face, neck, and décolleté in a circular motion. So I like that. And then the package is really pretty, really nice. There you go. That's how it comes. There's a tube. So it's sealed right now. So I'm not gonna take it out, but it comes sealed. So this is really nice, and the value of this product is $29. So far I'm happy with my Ipsy. I think the items that are coming are really nice. Next is this Lovecraft bronzer palette. I never heard of this brand before, so I don't know anything about this brand. It says it costs $39. And it says, in search of a goddess-worthy glow, this trio of buildable, light-reflecting bronzers will dial up the sun tone in your skin and leave you with an island glow. Okay. This is really nice, actually. It comes with 3 different bronzers, and they are in cool tone. They are more into the warm tone. You have a lighter version, a medium, and then also a darker. So I think it will serve for a variety of skin tones. Maybe not the deepest skin tones, but maybe into the medium skin tone. I think the one that I like the most is the one in the middle. That's the one that will actually show up on my skin a little more. So, and it comes with a little mirror too. So that's really nice. I haven't heard of this brand, but I think, you know, I want to try it. I want to see, you know, what it's all about. And it doesn't seem to have any shimmer to it. Let me just touch the formula. Oh, ooh, it's a really nice formula. It's a little bit not powdery. It kind of like feels like kind of creamy. So this is the lighter shade, this is the medium shade, and this is the darker shade right there. You know, I'm just gonna see right there, but those are the shades right there. It doesn't have any like particles or like glow or any shimmer to it, but they are more into the creamy actually. So these are nice. And $39. Okay, so we already paid off obviously this box. Next in this box, I came open. What is this? This is a highbrow pencil from Benefit, and it's a natural looking finish. What is this? Oh, there you go. It's a highlighter. So it's a highlighter for your brows. Highbrow. Hello. Oh my goodness. So this is a highlighter. I never use a highlighter for my brows. I have very bushy brows, so I just kind of like fill them in wherever it's a little bit sparse, and then I kind of like clean a little with concealer, but not that much. I mean, I'm just not a pro doing my brows, and like I said, I already have enough hairs right there, so that's that. So I don't know, I never used this one. This is interesting. I know this, you know, highlighting your brow bone has you know, has been in trend for a while now. I don't know if, you know, I don't see a lot of like YouTubers or gurus showing how to highlight your, you know, your brow area. I don't know, do you still do it? But I don't know, maybe I will, maybe adventure, I don't know. I don't know if this product kind of like calls my name or not. I think it's okay. Let's just call it okay, because again, I don't highlight my brows, my brow bone or the area. So let me know in your comments down below if you have tried, if you think it's good, how you use it, you know, just give me some tips right there. I would love to know. And then the price for that, the retail value is $22. Now next, there's this Golfadon MD Bright Eyes. What is it? Is it Dark Circles Radiance Concentrate Solution? Well, this is the box right here, and it costs $55. So this is an eye cream. So it's an eye cream that gets straight to the root of your under eye issues. Okay, I do have under eye issues, and those are dark circles. So it says, because there's only so much concealer can hide. Formulated with rice bran extract, soy peptide, organic red tea, and arnica, it helps reduce the appearance of dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines. Apply 1 drop in patting motion using your finger for fast results. Use morning and night on clean skin. Okay, good. Okay, so I was able to find this product on Derm Store, and it have about 4.5 stars. Also, they sell it at loveskin.com. And yeah, the price range is $55. So it seems to be a good product. This box just came a little bit jammed right here, but the product itself, it's good, and it comes with a little pump right here. Now this eye cream, yes, I'm gonna use it. I have right now an eye cream that I'm using, but I think this is a great addition to my skincare, so I'm excited to actually try it, and see what happens, if it really will depuff my eyes, if it will help my dark circles, because my dark circles are like kaboom, they are there. So anyhow, let's see how much this Ipsy GLAM Bag Plus. It's a mouthful. Wow, $180. That's good. So all these products, I think I'm super excited. I love eyeshadow palettes, and this is kind of fun. You know, I think I want to try that turquoise on me, and then I also like the yellow color in there, although I didn't show that much, but I think that's cute. So I think I'm going to try that one. The Paris Hilton one, I never tried a cleanser or any skincare products from Paris Hilton. So I'm going to give it a try to this one. I enjoy cleansing. I do double cleansing in the evening. So I think I will like these. Mostly it says, because it says that it's dual action cleansing gel. I don't know. But other than that, if it doesn't work for my face, I will, you know, use it for my body. So it's all good. I think the thing that I'm most excited about is this brightening eye serum. I love to see a skincare, and I just feel, I don't know, I have a feeling that this will work. I'm not too excited about this friend right here, because again, I don't know how to use it, and I haven't used anything like that, like this before. But I mean, Benefit, we know, is a really good brand. I'm interested to actually the bronzer palette. I'm interested in trying it and see. I'm in this mode right now, like buying all bronzers and face palettes and products. So this is just like so good. I will leave a link down below if you want to sign up for Ipsy. And other than that, I hope you really enjoy this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you really like it, or leave me a comment down below. Let me know what would you like to see next, what subscription boxes you get excited about, if you actually are subscribed to Ipsy or another subscription box. Other than that, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and you take care. Bye-bye.